Hi friends, this is Shanti and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how, if you have been watching the New York Fashion Week, you can totally get inspired by the trends which are really hot on the runway and try it for yourself. Here's how to do it. For this look, the focus is of course the eyes because it's a pop color which should show across your eyelids. I will show you how you can achieve it. Here if you opt for a color which is close to the look that you want, so I have taken a teal color which is really nice and really smooth to apply. Since it's a festive look, I would suggest that you touch up the inner corners of the eyes with a hint of silver. You can still rim the outline of the eyes with kajal if you like. Before applying mascara, I would suggest if you have any kind of concerns around the eyes, any product is smudged, or if you think you have a little bit of dark circles, you should apply a concealer. Also, I would suggest that you need to add that sparkle to your look by adding a little bit of glow on your brow bones and also around the face. I already have blush on my face, but if you don't, then you can always apply the blush and then go for the lip color. Now finish the look with a little bit of powder. Mascara should come right in the end because you want to open up the eyes, and also if there's any product which has been falling on your lashes, it will get rid of that. So this was the look that I tried to recreate for you guys. And the best part is the pop colors are trending this festive season, so you can definitely wear them with your Western outfit or also with your Indian outfit. Have fun trying them. Let me know in the comments below what compliments you got. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you.